All right, so I'm working on the parking lot shed. I'm redoing a bit, adding more. I'm adding a desk. I'm adding an ATM for it's going to be like right here for people who are paying for the parking space. That's the attendant. He looks like a complete douche, but whatever. These are not paying. These guys aren't here parking. This guy's still waiting for the cops to show up. They're here. Hey, yay! But I'm making this little nicer as I get the details in the city of Bricksburg slowly padded out and filled in. I like this though. This is something I actually forgot I didn't even finish. I gotta add a door, make it look legitimate, maybe add a few more details to it as well. Alrighty, well, quick little project to rebuild and we're done. All right, thanks for watching.